Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this smooth slow-mo video in CapCut PC. So import your video and add to track. And for example, I'm going to select uh, this part, right? Click split and until this part split, and in this section I'm going to make smooth slow-mo, go to speed, and you can select normal speed and swipe the left for slower, and appears this smooth slow-mo option, just turn on, and you can select the option, just click optical cloud to better quality, or you just select the frame blending to generating so faster. Right, I'm going to try the optical cloud. So it takes a long time, but it's better quality. All right. So you can see this is the final result. Yeah. If you um, want better quality, just click on the optical cloud, right? But it takes a long time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for